Welcome back. Let's talk about indoor air quality by All About Sensors, with the specific topic being indoor air quality in your kitchen. Volatile organic compounds or VOC are everywhere, so in the kitchen while cooking as well. Barbecue generates many harmful gases as well. What do I need to pay attention for? The answer is presented in 3 main points related to cooking and indoor air quality. Don't barbecue inside. Dangerous gases like carbon monoxide are present. Always open a window while cooking. Use the kitchen hood. Especially take care of this when cooking fish or meat. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it or learned new things. Please also visit me on X, Instagram, or read my blog articles on WordPress. Bye.